In this video, I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. So in here we have a fingerprint sensor under display. It is located in here, and it is an optical fingerprint sensor, which means that compared to the ultrasonic one, it is going to be definitely a little bit slower, but let's see how fast it is regardless. So first, simple tapping, which of course it is not going to work, simply because this is the optical sensor. So as you can see, if you just want to tap in order to unlock the phone, then at least most of the time it is not going to work. You definitely have to hold your finger for at least a very short time. So it's not like you can just tap and lift your finger, you have to hold it for a brief part of a second, I guess, like a fraction of a second. Thankfully it is enough to hold it for less than a half a second, at least on the home screen. As you can see, the phone unlocks pretty much immediately, so I still have to say that the fingerprint sensor is fast despite it being just optical sensor, which is nothing of course bad. It's not a bad thing that it is optical, and definitely it's a good thing that it is that fast. So as you can see, the sensor on the lock screen works almost instantly. Still, you don't have to hold for too long, you can just touch it just for a fraction of a second, as I mentioned, to unlock the phone. So pretty good. Now, besides that, of course, we want to see how good the sensor is when the screen is off. Now, in this case, the sensor is not being displayed. We cannot really see it when the screen is completely off. On some smartphones, it displays for a few seconds once you lock your phone, just to show you where you have to hold your finger when you decide to unlock your phone. But in this case, I believe the sensor is actually in here, so I misplaced my finger here. So there we go. So as you can see, we can just tap in order to wake the sleep display. This is the Motorola's always on display, which looks like this. So in this case, if I try to unlock the phone when we are on this sleep display, I believe we have to hold it for pretty much as long as on the home screen, maybe slightly longer, although I have to try that several times. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same as on the lock screen, and rightfully so, thankfully so as well. Simply because the sensor is still visible on the AOD or sleep display. It is fully displayed in here, so there is no reason for it to be actually slower. It might slightly feel like it is slower, but definitely not. It's pretty much as fast as on the lock screen. So now let's see if I can unlock it without the sleep display. And I'm gonna actually turn off sleep display. There we go. And we can also show the fingerprint sensor, so let's do that. Let's keep the sensor enabled. Yeah, so in this case the sensor just appears, just like when we have the sleep display. And in this case, definitely it's going to take a little bit longer compared to that sleep display or lock screen. And here we have to hold for a slightly longer time. It is still pretty short. So as you can see, it is definitely unlockable. You can still unlock the phone without going to the lock screen, which is of course a very good thing. There we go. But in this case, definitely I have to hold for a longer time. Now this is of course due to the fact that the phone needs to wake up the sensor, so that is justified. But if I try to use it for as long as I do on the lock screen or sleep display, then as you can see, it is just not as fast. It cannot really catch up with me, and it cannot unlock the phone as quickly and read my fingerprint, of course. So definitely a small difference in here, but that is pretty much the case for every smartphone that has optical fingerprint sensor, so no surprises here. But just to show you, of course, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna try one more time. Yeah, so definitely we have to hold for slightly longer. I would say closer to 1 second. And that is pretty much it. So I would say that the fingerprint sensor in terms of speed is pretty solid on the lock screen, and when we have the sleep display or AOD enabled, then the sensor is rather fast, and I don't think there is anything that I can complain about. So pretty solid choice, pretty solid sensor. As for the fingerprint when it is off, when the display is off as well, naturally it needs more time to to wake up the sensor and to recognize the fingerprint, so it's going to take slightly longer, but I feel like it's still pretty solid. So the placement of the fingerprint sensor is also pretty good. It's pretty much at the perfect spot, so if you hold your phone and if you want to unlock it with your thumb, then it is in a very good spot, I think so. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.